Hi everybody, it's Mark. You're looking at the Eastern Sierra behind me. Spending a day or two up here, or a night or three maybe, just in the back country. Not in the back country, front country, but it's still nature. So behind me you see the range where Mount Whitney, which is the highest mountain in the continental US. You can kind of see it behind everything. I think it's right there. But there you are, Shauna. Good morning. So welcome to the morning nature mindfulness moment or meditation. Coming back into nature is always a beautiful reminder of our original state, which is, Sal, our original state being out in nature, surrounded by nature. It's our senses come back to feeling the de-stressed state before cities, before Wi-Fi, before internet, before radiation all over, and also before the stressful environment that we have created in our daily lives. So for me to come back out here, it's a beautiful experience. And I encourage anybody at some point, whenever they're ready, to go and do a little bit of camping or something. Of course, everything is closed right now, so right now it may not be the best time, unless you want to go to places that don't have any camping grounds. But anyway, I'm right here. The stillness and the silence of the outside matches the inside when you're here. And it's a beautiful feeling of complete and utter stillness. This is far removed from any outer stressor, any sense or feeling of negativity or harshness. All we have here is just ourselves. And as the corona quarantine is going in on its, second or third week? I guess this would be close to the third week. I know many of us are feeling the effects of the change of pace. And this is where mindfulness and meditation becomes an extremely important tool to use this time of isolation, to use it to grow and go inwards into yourself. Because just like nature right here around me, if we choose to see it through the lens or the eyes of fear and danger, we could expect the mountain lion around every single boulder. We could expect coyotes. or whatever we want to be afraid of, snakes. We can expect that everywhere and be afraid. Or can release, see it through the lens of what is, the beauty of the sunlight, of the spirit, and just be. Because when I see the life through the lens of love and safety, there are no threats. There is no enemy. So much like we can see nature, I can look around here and I see only a beautiful experience. That is how it can be to go inside and see your own inner nature. To look deep down inside of yourself, into your soul, and to start to look at it from a level of light and love. Look at your past life, your past experiences. Look at it from compassion. Know you did the best you could at the moment. At the time, you did what you could. Even if you didn't do it right, even if things didn't work out, you did the best you could. So if we can shift our perception from being fearful and negative, judgmental, critical and angry, shift it into a level of light and love, coming from compassion and understanding of ourselves and of others, we shift. We go into the shift and we see everything in a new light. We can see our past life in a new light. Know that you did the best you could. Even when you acted poorly, when I acted poorly, I did the best I could at the time. And yes, I want to chose the higher path. And yes, we want to do that. We want to choose the highest possible actions we can take. Because the more we get onto that path of health, healing and health inside, the easier the path gets. The less alluring the negativity of the past looks. Any obsession, any addiction. Staying present and conscious in this moment brings in compassion, light and love. And suddenly, life shifts. And we're ready to go and face ourselves from a new light, from a new perspective. Let's take a few deep breaths together. On the out breath, we're going to let go of stress. Let's breathe in. Hold it. Let go of stress. Let's do it again. We need to let go of more stress. Breathe in. Hold it. Let go of stress. One more time. Breathe in. Hold it. Let go of stress. As we can feel our temples relaxing, we can feel our mind slowing down. get to become part of the experience of the miracle of life itself. As we drop our minds into our hearts, we come from a sense of wonder and gratitude. Walking through each day, each moment in beauty. Anyway, thank you for joining. I'll be on here again at noon and at 3. Somewhere up here, somewhere around here. As long as I can find cell phone service. Wish you a beautiful, wonderful day. Stay centered, stay sane, mindful. All right, everybody. Thank you and bye.